Hey guys, this is Steve at Synthrotek, and we're really excited to announce a new product that's taken quite a bit of development, is finally being released today, which is right before the July 4th weekend, and it is, of course, our Case Power new power supply. And what we've done is we've taken our old 5 amp power supply, but we've further regulated the positive 12 rail and given you a couple options on that rail. You can either get a 2 amp power converter or a 3 amp power converter. We also have 3 options for the negative 12 rail. We have a 500 milliamp option, and we have a 1.3 amp option, as well as a 2.5 amp system on the negative 12. So it's quite beefy, and the plus 5 on all of the options are regulated at 1.5 amps of possible current pull. So anyway, it's very exciting. We've also kind of hybrid taken our noise filtering distribution boards, and we've added onto this an 18 connection keyed noise filtering distribution board. So you're ready to go to pop this into your case. And of course, fit into an 84 HP size case and anything larger. It also, what we've done here is we made it so it can be expanded and used with other manufacturers' distribution boards, because we've added some spade connectors, which is pretty common for other companies. We've also got this nice aluminum protective covering that kind of covers some of the real the real sensitive bits here. And we also, of course, have the Synthrotek style molex connector for easy connection between bus boards. Of course, you can use flying. You can also attach some flying bus to this as well, but we like this if you're going to be using more of our noise filtering boards. This is put into one of our 9U wooden cases that we have here, and as you can see, you can kind of snake along the power, and that'll allow you to add as many distribution boards as you need. As far as for power entry here, we've got these nifty new panels that light up behind the panel, as you can see here, and you got a neat little coffin and a skull to keep you friendly. And of course, as always, we have our locking power connectors. You can lock it if you want to lock it, and that will also eliminate any noise, rattles, or anything if you feel like you need to jiggle your cable. And that just kind of keeps it a little more safe and all that too. We also have a 1U power entry version too, because we're going to be putting these into our waterproof cases and other cases that we have. And so we want to, if you want to not utilize some of your 3U space, we've got these 1U entry panels. Word of caution, don't connect 2 power connectors together via the molex or using the spade connectors. But if you want to have a large brick and you've got the connections that can handle it, you can daisy chain these power, the case powers together, only using here the screw clamp headers, and that will allow you to use like 1 brick if you want to do that. See the assembly instructions in the manual for more details on that. But at any rate, a lot of power, regulated, clean, really, really great system, and we're really excited to announce it this week, so check it out online.